Hi everyone, my name is Indigo. I'm part of the New South Wales sales team at Ocean Protect. We're out here in Blacktown City Council and I'm here to show you how to install our OceanGuard Pit Insert. So after you set up all of your necessary safety requirements, you want to set out all of your different components. So here we've got the OceanGuard top piece. We've got the 200 micron filter bag along with the split ring. We've got the struts, the cage, the L brackets, and your necessary rivets and dyno bolts. We've got our curbside pit here. Lift the grate up. As you can see, there is quite a lot of debris in here after the few days rain that we've had. So it's actually very important that the pits are fully cleaned before these works are taking place. Blake is helping me out with getting the pit cleaned of all the debris. You can see he's down there getting rid of all of the leaves, the suspended solids, the plastic, everything that the OceanGuard will filter out once installed. The first step is to measure your pit. As this is a curbside pit, we would recommend about 150 to 200 millimeters below the inlet, but on other stormwater pits, it's below the grate. This pit is 670 wide by 900 long. As per the install manual, I've determined that we want to place the L brackets 130 millimeters away from the wall and 200 millimeters from the invert of the inlet. Next, we want to secure the L brackets with some dyno bolts. To do this, you want to use a 10mm hex set on an impact driver or a ratchet set. At this point, it's good to check the measurements in your pit. You want to make sure that the spacing in between the L brackets isn't more than 410 millimeters. So here we got 385, which is great. We knew the dimensions of this pit before we came out, so we were able to measure up the struts correctly. So I'm going to show you how to install them correctly onto your L brackets. We've cut the plastic of the OceanGuard top to suit the measurements of the pit using an angle grinder. The cage comes in two bits and you're going to want to put it in and pop rivet the cage to the top piece onto the struts. And it goes together like this. You want to put 3 pop rivets in at this point, 1 on each end, securing the cage to the top section, and then 1 on the side, securing the top section, the cage, and the strut. Last step is you want to thread the split ring through your 200 micron bag. Here the bag is installed incorrectly. These 2 splits want to be on each end. As you can see, the bag is now installed correctly. And another thing to note is you want to make sure that these tags here are on the outside of the bag. And there you have it, a freshly installed OceanGuard Pit Insert by Ocean Protect. Took me about 45 minutes to install, so the challenge is set. Let us know how long it takes you and give us a call if you need anything.